How to choose the right flatbed trailer for your needs. Flatbed trailers are a versatile and durable option for transporting a variety of different cargo types. When shopping for the right flatbed trailer, there are several factors to consider, including the type of load you will be carrying, your budget, and any regulations or restrictions in your area. Whether you need to transport heavy machinery, oversized cargo, or other large items, a flatbed trailer is an ideal choice. Flatbed trailers are typically made from steel, aluminum, or wood and can be customized with features like ramps for loading and unloading heavy objects. When choosing the right flatbed trailer for your needs, there are things to consider. Your budget. Flatbed trailers come in a range of sizes and price points, so it's important to consider what you can realistically afford. While higher-end models may offer additional features and durability, there are also plenty of affordable options that will meet your needs. The type of cargo you need to transport. Flatbed trailers are designed to handle a wide range of cargo types, from heavy machinery and pallets of goods to farm equipment or oversized items. Consider the type of load you need to transport and its dimensions and weight when choosing the right flatbed trailer for your needs. Local regulations and restrictions. Flatbed trailers are often subject to restrictions and guidelines in certain areas, so it's essential to be aware of any regulations and limitations that may impact your choice of trailers. For example, some states have weight or length limits for flatbed trailers or require special permits or licensing for drivers using these types of trailers.